x の y, y of x, or x is y. In this lesson, you will be able to explain about ownership and attributes of something in the form of x の y. For example, 私の車です。This is my car. The particle の links two words. の has various meaning and use. の mainly shows ownership or works as a modifier, like this. 私の車 my car. の of possession. の can show possession of something. When no follows a noun, it means that the preceding noun is the owner of the following noun. For example, 私の車 my car. 私 I. 私の my. の as a modifier. No can make a noun into a modifier. When no follows a noun, the preceding noun becomes a sort of adjective. For example, 日本の車 a Japanese car or a car made in Japan. 日本 Japan 日本の Japanese. Example sentences. あれは私の家です。That is my house. 私の兄は看護師です。My older brother is a nurse. あれは誰の車ですか？ Whose car is that? あれは佐藤さんの車です。That is Mr. Sato's car. The next lesson is これ、それ、あれ、どれ。See you in the next lesson.